Fork.
Fork.
You can stick your fork into pieces of food and pick them up.
Spoon.
Spoon. You use a spoon to eat cornflakes with milk. Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
We usually eat Asian food with chopsticks. Napkin.
Napkin.
We often use napkins when we eat.
Fork.
Fork. Spoon.
Spoon. Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Napkin.
Napkin. Knife.
Knife.
You can use a knife to cut your food.
Cup.
Cup.
The girl is holding a white cup with both hands. Plate.
Plate.
What is a plate used for? It is for serving our food.
Bottle.
Bottle.
The man is pouring the red wine from the bottle.
Glass.
Glass.
We sip our cold drinks from glasses.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Bowls are round and are perfect for soup or cereal. Knife.
Knife.
Cup.
Cup.
Plate.
Plate.
Bottle.
Bottle. Glass.
Glass.
Bowl.
Bowl.